Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to clear browse history in Kiwi browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Kiwi browser. So I'm going to click on here. So after you open up your Kiwi browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on history. Then you have all your history right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear browsing data. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear data. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to clear your browse history in Kiwi browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.